getting sweet pepper at the store. I cut the sweet pepper, cut it like that, or the red pepper, and then all I do is take out the seeds. So the seeds, I just separate the pepper from the seeds like that. Get it all out. So I take out the seeds from the pepper. Then I get a little pot, stick some hole in it. So the same pepper you buy at the shop to cook your dinner, to look for your salad, to prepare anything in it, you can put two seeds in one pot. So that's what I'm doing. I put 3 in each hole, or 4. Cover that one. So it's simple, it's not hard. You don't have to have a big garden space to plant your vegetable. So that's what I'm doing now. So that finished. So spring onion. So I just cut off the bottom of the spring onion, put in a cup of water with 3 days or 2 days, and then you're ready to transplant. Tomato is the same thing. Slice the tomato in 2. Get that away. Get a knife. You take out the tomato seed. So that's all what I do. I don't go to no shop to buy no tomato seeds to plant. I just use the same thing what I buy in the supermarket or the market. And then I just squeeze it like that. Seed fall out. You don't want the seed to pop. Squeeze it like that. You get out some of the tomato seed. Then you cover it like that with dirt. Then ready to go. So that's all I do in my garden. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I plant some of it in my garden. So guys, this is my tomato plant. This is some small one coming up. I'm gonna show you the big one in a minute. So they're quite small, maybe around a couple inches. So we have some small tomato coming up right there. So this is a small one. So we have around 8 tomato plants in this small part of the garden. So you have small blossom coming up, small tomato. So, and then we have some parsley. So the same parsley I buy in the shop, I didn't throw it away. I reuse it, I plant it, and it is coming all over the place. And potato, same potato I buy. See the snail and eat off all my potato leaves. I think everything need to eat. I'm hungry as well, so they eat off all my potato leaf. So I have a lot of snail. And this is my tomato garden, tomato and spring onion. So this is the bigger plants. We have some nice tomato coming out right here, and spring onion. Don't know if you can see the spring onion down there. So the same spring onion I buy in the shop or in the wholesale, in the supermarket, are the same spring onion I use. I just cut off the bottom of it and transplant it. So when this one come up, you can do the same thing as well. Just get the knife, clip it down here. Don't know if you guys can see. And cut it down here, and it spring right up back again. So this is someone what I did reuse. I cut them off and then I plant them right here. This one is getting big, so this one so need to cut and use. So this is my next tomato plant right here. Some nice tomato coming out there. So I have maybe around 20 tomato plant right here. So we have loads of tomato plant there. So the same tomato where you buy in the shop, in the wholesale, and cut it in 2, take out the seeds out, transplant it in a pot. Then when they come bigger, you just take them out and transplant them in a garden like this. So guys, you don't have to have a big garden to do this. You can have a small garden, put them in a individual pot, like I put this one into a look of flowers pot. I have 2 tomato plants in this one. Then over here I have a little bit of spring onion coming up, and this is the bigger one. And there we have some tomato. We have more tomato. We have a lot of tomato. I have loads of tomato. So that is the tomato section. So next section I'm going to show you is the potato and the bell pepper. So guys, so this is another type of potato we have here. So we have the white potato and we have the red potato. So these are the red potato right here, and let me see if any more potato is down there. Take too long to pick that potato, so that one is gone off. It's another big one right here. So guys, what I'm telling you, you don't have to have a big garden space. Feel a giant. This feel like it's a giant one right here. So look on that one, people. I feel two more right down here coming up. So this is little section here I have that can do for dinner. I'm gonna cook some soup tomorrow, so I'll show you guys. I'm gonna cook some red pea soup, so I'm gonna use this potato to put in the red pea soup. So that is my potato from my garden. And we have more tomato plants coming up, and we have a pumpkin also. The same pumpkin what I buy at the store. I take out the seed and I transplant the pumpkin, and this pumpkin is coming up right there. I have more potato plant over here. So guys, this is my bell pepper. We have red bell pepper, we have yellow bell pepper, we have green bell pepper, orange bell pepper. So we have one over here coming up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then on this tree we have around 15 coming out on that tree. So guys, I don't have a big garden space, I just have a small garden space. So I buy the water and then I cut off the top of the water bottle. I use the water bottle, so I recycle the water bottle and I plant in my bell pepper in a minute. So I have around, what is it, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 bell pepper on this table right here. And then I have some tomato plant over here where I plant in pot, so you don't have to have a big garden space. You just put them in a pot and then you can use them. Then I have more water bottle here what I recycle and put in the bell pepper. A bell pepper over here. Hello Marissa. She's upset with me. So I have another bell pepper here. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube page and please make a comment if you guys want me to see another video with my garden when everything is coming up and ready to pick, when the tomato ripe and everything like that, and my bell pepper. So please subscribe, please make a comment, and please share and like, and guys please hit that notification button because I have a lot more recipe coming out in the kitchen. So this is a look a picture from my garden today. So guys, keep safe and peace. Guys, look what I get from my garden. Marissa just washing them. That's Marissa just spraying the hose on them. Marissa, there's some more here. You want to take up these one?
There's some are small.
That's a small one, yeah. So guys, I just reaping this potato. Don't know if any more is there. There's one more, but this one is springing, so I'm gonna put it back there till next harvest season. I'm just looking if any more potatoes in there.
Daddy.
The small one there. Over there. Yeah. Nice. Nice red one there. So guys, you don't have to have a big garden space to have plant potato. Oh, just looking if any more is there. There's one there. So this one is coming up. This one, I'm just gonna put it over here, cover it up back. And that one, cover it up back, guys. So let's see if any more over here. I don't think we have any more, but let's give it a check. Oh my God, I think I see a massive one over here. What is it? Come on.
Guess what I got?
And that people?
Look, guess what I got, Daddy?
You have a small one. Marissa says you have a small one. Small potato.
It's so tiny.
So we have two types of potato. We have the red potato and then the small potato. So guys, I think that's all of it.
Baby.
So guys, let me show you what I just get out of my garden. Look at that. That on one part of the garden are this potato. This is no fertilizer, no chemical, nothing like that. Pure organic.